It is time for questions to the Minister of Enterprise, Trade and Investment. We will start with listed questions, and I call Mr Martin O Muilleoir.
I'll ask Concordia question 1.
Minister.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. My department works closely with Belfast International Airport to encourage new transatlantic routes with business and inbound tourism potential. This support is provided in a number of ways. For example, Tourism Ireland cooperative marketing support is available for transatlantic services. We also provide practical support for Belfast International Airport and our other airports by taking a stand at the annual World Routes Conference. Another important factor in encouraging transatlantic connectivity has been the decisive action by the Executive to eliminate air passenger duty on direct long-haul flights.
Mr O Muilleoir.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker, and thank you, Minister. I was recently speaking with the Chief Executive of the Belfast International Airport, as we said. I also met the owners of the airport in Toronto, and I met Massport, who run Logan Airport in Boston. There is definitely interest in a transatlantic flight. Where we are falling down is that at the minute we have no flights out of Belfast. I wonder if the Minister would agree that now is the time for a concerted and united push by the new owners of the airport, by Tourism Ireland, by the Belfast International Airport itself, plus our many ambassadors, to try and see if we can bring in the number of transatlantic visitors we would like to see, especially given the success of Dublin Airport. The road's a big help, as the Minister knows, but the road goes both ways. Thank you, Minister.
Thank you. I thank the member for his question. And I think in his secondary question, he's acknowledging the importance of connectivity for us here in Northern Ireland and the fact that we do need more international flights coming in. We're very pleased that the New York flight continues to be a success. Disappointed that it was dropped to 10 months last year instead of 12. But there is much work to be done. I acknowledge that. I hope to meet again with some Canadian airlines later on this year. But we are in direct competition with Dublin Airport now, and they have now 4 direct flights to Canada, and that is causing difficulties for us in relation to trying to achieve more connectivity, particularly from North America. I do welcome the increased connectivity to Europe, and if things go according to plan, that connectivity will increase this year again, and I'm very pleased about that. But we do need to increase the connectivity to North America in particular, and I welcome any offers of help that are out there to help us to try and achieve that.
Call Mr.